On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get paid to write online. This method is free. You don't need any experience. You don't need any skills to get started. And the best part is that you can get started wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to come on this website, listverse.com. On this website, they pay you to write a list of 10 things that you know. So you can write about 10 things under entertainment. You can see under entertainment, they have gaming. You can write 10 things about gaming and then get paid. You can write 10 things about movies and TVs and get paid. You can see music, pop culture. You can see the art and the rest. You can see bizarre. You can write creepy things, you can write mysterious things, you can write weird stuff. Any list of 10 things that you know, you can write it and then submit it onto this website so that you can get paid. You can see under lifestyle, you can write about food, you can write about health, you can write about sport, you can write about travel. Under knowledge, you can write about books, facts, history, and the rest. You can see under science, you can write about animals, humans, our world, space, technologies. Any 10 things that you know about any of these categories, you can just write it and then get paid. You can see society, they have crime, politics, religion. Just write 10 things that you know. Once you write it, give a reference so that you can be paid. As a school, you can see these are examples of things that people have submitted onto the website and they have been paid. You can see a whole lot of different articles. You can see 10 greatest movies. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see 10 celebrations of last place finishers who didn't quit. You can see a whole lot of different 10 things that people have submitted onto this website and they have been paid. You can see a whole lot of different 10 things that people have submitted. If you come right here, you can see more. Once you click on it, you can see write and get paid. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the amount that you are going to earn when you submit an article onto this website. As a school, you can see these are their rules. You can see everything. So let me scroll down. You can see right here, you are going to be paid $100 for every article that you submit. You can see it right here. So if you submit an article and it is accepted, you are going to be paid $100. You can see it right here. For the submission guidelines, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can read about the guidelines so that you can write an article that is acceptable to them. Once you write the article, just submit it and you are going to be paid. You don't need any skills to do it. You can even use AI and then write the article so that you can get paid writing. Let me show you an AI tool that you can use to write the list and then submit it onto this website. You can use an AI tool like SEOwriting.ai. SEOwriting.ai. This tool can help you to write the top 10 list and you are going to be paid if you submit it. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for SEOwriting.ai. Once you search for it, click right here, get started for free. Once you click on it, you can be able to get started for free. You are not required to pay for anything. All that you need to do is that you have to create an account. You can create an account using your Google accounts or you can enter your details right here. Once you enter it, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to get access to a free account which you can use to write articles and then submit it to Listverse so that you can be paid $100 per every submission that you get. So I'm going to demonstrate for you to see. Once you create your accounts on SEOwriting.ai, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to use it to write the 10 things so that you can submit it on Listverse and then get paid. If you want to write many articles, you can select this option. If you want to write one article, you can select this option. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, you want to write one blog post, so click right here, blog post. Click on it so that you can be able to write a blog post. Once you click on it, you are going to type the keywords right here. In this case, I'm going to write about Bible verses. So type your keywords right here, Bible verses, just select it. Once that is done, you have to click on save and continue. Once you click on it, you are going to come under this. You can see Bible verses. Click on generate titles. Once you click on generate titles, it is going to generate the titles for you. You can see top 10 inspirational Bible verses for strength and guidance. You can see powerful Bible verses for strength and inspiration. You can see top 10 inspiring Bible verses for strength and encouragement, and many others. When you scroll down, you can see different titles. So any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select this option right here. We want a list of 10 things, so let's select the first one. Once that is done, you can click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to ask you to generate a description. So click right here, generate descriptions. Once you click on it, you can see the different description that it has generated. So all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then select the one that you want. You can see, just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this option right here. So click on it. Once you select it, click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. You can see headings. Click on generate headings. Once you click on it, you can see it has generated headings for you. You can see the headings. Let me scroll down. You can see the headings. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here next. Once you click on it, you can see the SEO score is 100%. Now what you have to do is that you have to select any of these headings so that you can generate the article. So put your pointer right here. Once you put your pointer right here, click on AI Write. So click on it so that it will generate the article for you. Once you click on AI Write, you can see it has written the description of the article. You can see it right here. The next step is that you have to put your pointer here again. Once you put your pointer, click on AI Write. Once you click on it, it is going to write it for you. Just wait for it. It will write it for you so that you can see the article. It is writing. Just wait for it. You can see it has written. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down and then put your pointer right here again. Click on AI Write. Once you click on it, it is going to write it for you. You just wait for it to write. You can see it is writing. It has written for that section. The next step is that you have to scroll down. So scroll down. Once that is done, click on the next one. Once you click on it, it is going to write it for you. You can see it is writing. Just be patient. You can see it has written. Once that is done, scroll down. Put your cursor right here. Click on AI Write. So let's put the pointer right here. Click on AI Write. It is going to write it for you. So you have to be doing that for the rest of the headings. You can see this is your article. Just do that for the rest of the headings. So put your pointer right here. Click on AI Write. Once you click on it, it is going to write it for you. So make sure you do that for the rest of the headings so that you can get a fully written article for free without paying for anything. As you can see, it has generated a full article. You can see everything. You can see the article. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy it and then make sure you arrange it properly. Once you arrange it properly, the next step is that you have to come back on Listverse and then submit it. You are going to submit it under the religion category. So select religion and then submit it. You can write about any category that you want. All that you need to do is that you have to put your prompt on SEOwriting.ai. Once you put your prompt, it is going to generate the article for you, which you can publish it on Listverse. Once you publish it on Listverse, you are going to be paid $100 per every submission that you make. So make sure you go and read about their submission guidelines. Make sure you read about how they arrange their articles so that you can be able to arrange your article according to their rules. Once you arrange it properly, you can submit it and they are going to accept it so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner. Apart from Listverse, there are many other websites where you can make money writing. Another website that will pay you to write is freelancer.com. Freelancer is a marketplace where people post their projects. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be bidding for the project. Once you bid and you are able to win the project, you can be writing. So what you have to do is that you have to always be watchful so that you can get gigs. Once you get the gigs, you can write them and then get paid. For example, if you want to find a project, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. You can see find. Once you click on it, you can see by skills. Once you select by skills, you can see the different skills that you can select. In this case, we want writing jobs. So select writing jobs. Once you select it, you'll be able to see writing jobs that you can bid. Once you bid, you can win some of the projects which you can complete and then get paid. You can see under writing, when you scroll down, there are many available projects that you can bid and then get hired so that you can write on this website. You can see this one is write a Hindi comedy short script. So they are going to be paying you $10 per hour. When you scroll down, there are many others. You can see a whole lot of different writing projects that you can bid and then get paid. There are many of them. So all that you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can be able to find a project which you can bid and then get hired. You can see there are many of them. You can see this one right here. You're going to be paid $113. This one you're going to be paying $10 to $30. There are many projects. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on the next page. Once you click on the next page, you can find different projects that you can buy it and then get paid. Once you click on next page, you can see this one, you're going to be earning $270 to $820 if you are able to complete the project. You can see the person has been verified. You can see it right here. So all that you need to do is that you have to buy it for projects on this platform. Once you buy it for them, you can be able to get one and then complete it. Once you complete it, you are going to be paid. So if you want, you can customize it by selecting the language. So English, you want English projects, so select it. If you want other languages, you can select it. Once you select English projects, you can see a whole lot of different projects that you can complete and then make money from home wherever you are in the world. Apart from freelancer.com, there are many other websites where you can get paid to write. Another website that will pay you to write is tutorialspoint.com. On this website, you can get paid to write about JavaScript and many other projects. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can write about. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, write and earn. Once you click on write and earn, you will be able to read about their rules so that you can write and then publish your articles onto this website and then get paid. On this website, they are not going to pay you a flat fee. What they do is that they pay you per view. So if your article gets a lot of views, you are going to be paid accordingly. Writing guidelines. Once you click on the writing guidelines, you can see their guidelines. All that you need to do is that you have to read about them. Once you read about their guidelines, you can be able to write a very nice article and then publish it onto this platform. You can see they pay $1 per 1,000 page views. So if your article gets 1,000 readers, you are going to be paid $1. You can see it right here. If you want, you can click on start writing. Once you click on start writing, you need to create an account so that you can be able to write and get paid on this website. Although you are not going to be earning a lot of money writing on this website, but they have a different way that you can earn money on this website. What you have to do is that you have to become a teacher. So click on courses. Once you click on courses, you can teach any course that you want and then get paid onto this website. If you are a teacher, you are going to earn more money than if you are a writer on this platform. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, teach with us. Once you click on teach with us, you can teach any topic that you want. You can create a course on any topic that you want. Once you create the course, you have to publish it onto this website and you are going to be paid for that. You can teach courses in any of these categories. So you can see development, finance and accounting, cyber security, marketing, business, IT and software, lifestyle. Any of these categories that you want, you can create a course and then get paid when you submit it onto this website. So if you don't want to write, you can teach on this platform and then get paid. These are examples of courses on the platform and you can see the prices. So all that you need to do is that you have to also create your course and then submit it onto this website so that you can get people to purchase them and you are going to be paid. Another great website where you can get paid to write is peopleperhour.com. So search for peopleperhour.com. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first website. Once you click on it, you can be able to get paid for writing online. So you can see people per hour. Let me click on it for you to see. You can see this is people per hour and you can write anything that you want and then get people to pay you for your writing. What you have to do is that you have to click on writing and translation. Once you click on writing and translation, select the kind of writing that you want. You can see creative writing, ghost writing, content writing, technical writing, business writing, copywriting, research writing, all writing and translation services. Any of them that you want, you can select it. For example, if you select creative writing, once you click on it, you can see this is an example of people who have listed their gigs on people per hour. You can see most of them are getting a lot of jobs. This one, for example, the person charged $70 per article and you can see the reviews. You can see this one is charging $20. You can see the reviews. This one is charging $15. So any amount that you want, you can also charge for your service on this website. You can see a lot of different people who have listed their gigs onto this platform. So all that you need to do is that you have to also create your gig on this platform. Once you create your gig, you get people to hire you. Once you get the people to hire you, you can be able to write the articles and then get paid. You are not going to be writing the articles yourself. All that you need to do is that you have to search for SEO writing AI. Once you search for it, you can be able to use it to write anything. And the best part is that it is free. You can be able to use it to write the article so that you can submit it onto any of the platforms that I've shown you. Once you submit your article, you are going to be paid. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.